Ocean. It's building 3. This is where I can find the ATM machine, Bangkok Bank. It's at the end of the corner that close to the lift. Now we are at the Ram Hospital. This is the directory of the hospital, and most of the unit. Here's upstairs. This is a cashier counter, and we have some food stalls. Some of them are already closed. It's Good Day Coffee Bakery and a Starbucks over there. And this is sitting lounge. And in front of us, there's a group of Indian patients. And we continue walk straight through to the entrance. Maybe this is the heart center, and there is a counter there and some stocks, bakeries, coffee, Starbucks, 7-Eleven. Then Auntie Annie's. And we are now back to the entrance. Some shops over there still alive, but it's really a quiet place. And there are some patients down here. And you can have credit card, TTV, straight there. This is building 2. And there are some ATM machine named TTV. And this is building 2. Straight to the building 1, information counter, and maybe there's some cashier counter and feedback. Pharmacy counter. Cashier again. This hospital directory in Thai language. Pharmacy counter.